Have you ever uploaded a video that you were really proud of? Good thumbnail, good title, solid editing, but YouTube gave it nothing. A handful of impressions at most, and then straight onto the scrap heap. And it leaves you feeling really frustrated. You feel like you've done everything right, but the algorithm just never gave it a chance. But here's the thing, what if you hadn't actually done anything wrong? And that video was actually a really good video. It was just the topic of the video that was putting the algorithm off. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how that happened to me on my channel, and how I finally realised that it wasn't my videos that were flopping, it was just the topic. So I've been making videos for about 6 months now on YouTube, documenting my own journey whilst encouraging other people to start a channel, as well as sharing tips on how to get more views and to grow your channel. But recently I've realised that they are actually two very separate topics, and one topic was performing better than the other. That's when it hit me, the epiphany moment. YouTube won't push your video purely because it's good. It pushes the videos that it trusts you to make. So what do I mean by that? At the point of recording this video, I've got 301 subscribers and I've had one video that's had over 500 views. So why should YouTube trust me to make videos about how to get more views and how to grow your channel? It shouldn't. Not when it's a saturated topic, and there are far bigger channels that are out there more qualified on this topic, making videos on this topic, such as Think Media or Nick Nimmin, who've got like 1 million subscribers and videos that have got hundreds of thousands, if not millions of views. It makes complete sense when you think about it. So I turned to YouTube analytics, and the trends that I discovered backed up this theory. Look at this video for example, where I talk about how to get more views and to keep viewers watching for longer. So as you can see, this video's got a decent click-through rate and it's got a pretty good retention. However, it's got barely any impressions. Whereas if we look at this other video that I created, which was about why you need to consume less and create more, actually got lots more impressions and is my most viewed video to date. That's because I was far more qualified to talk about why people should create a YouTube channel than I was to tell people how to grow their channel and get more views. And it's not because what I said in the video wasn't right, but YouTube knows that people that are looking for that type of video are far more likely to want to watch it from someone who's actually been there and done it, that's actually got tens of thousands or hundreds of thousands of views, or who have got tens of thousands or hundreds of thousands of subscribers. So if you're not getting views right now, it might not be that your videos aren't good. It might just be that YouTube hasn't learned what to trust you for yet. Keep making good videos, keep proving to the algorithm, your viewers and yourself what type of creator you are. Because once YouTube figures that out, that's when the views start to snowball. For me and my channel, I'm going to stick to my lane, documenting my journey, encouraging other people to start theirs, and letting the algorithm catch up. If this resonated with you, drop a comment and let me know where you are with your own journey on YouTube right now. Have a great week, and I'll see you in the next one.